everybody. So our friend David is the godfather of the kids. One of my closest friends. I've known him for years and years and years. We haven't been able to hang out with him because of the COVID and everything else like that. He's been in California. We're here in Nashville. So he sent us this really cool package from Levain Bakery. And we're super excited to check it out, see what's inside.
You ready?
You ready to see what's inside? So it says, missing y'all. Enjoy these NYC treats. See you soon. So cool little treat there. And it says we started Levain Bakery in 1995, selling bread out of a tiny storefront in New York City. And apparently the cookies that they started creating, the chocolate chip walnut cookie, it was all about finding something that was really impactful for them to work on the training. And most people don't think of like a cookie as something that will help you to train for a triathlete or a swim competition. But these cookies are supposedly really amazing. I've never heard of them before, but just even the packaging, check this out. So there are 4 different types of cookies here. Watch out, with the other one. So there are 4 different types of cookies, 3 of each. So first one, we got a chocolate chip walnut, a dark chocolate chip with peanut butter, oatmeal raisin, and a dark chocolate chip with walnuts. So bunch of different types. So we're gonna try all 4, see which ones we like the best.
I'm not trying any.
You're not gonna try any? Oh my God.
But look, there's lots of pizza.
There is lots of pictures. Okay, so we got 4 cookies here. I'm gonna save the other 8 for later on. But even these things are like super bulky. Each one, I think, from what I read, is like 6 ounces. So that's like almost half a pound per cookie. It's pretty amazing. So let's check this out. Open it up.
Mom, look at this.
They really make you work for the cookies. Maybe that's part of like the workout. So that way, part of the training, right? Check this out.
Yes.
Come on now.
That's in New York.
New York?
I don't want to get the scissors out for this, but I might have to. I might.
Give me the scissors.
I might need the scissors. What are you thinking there, girl?
I need the scissors.
No, we're good. Got the first level off. I mean, they make you work for these things.
You can also just use the scissors.
We could use the scissors, but
They make you walk. Or just unknot it. That's super easy. That is not unknot it.
Yeah.
It's super
oh,
easy.
like always, when men fail, they turn to the women, and the women handle it for us. All right. So this one is the one that's on top. This one is, oh, even just touching it, it's already kind of gooey and nice here. Move this out of the way. This one, the first one, is a dark chocolate chip. I think this is the dark chocolate chip. Or maybe this is the peanut butter one. No, I think this is the peanut butter one because you can even see. Here. Just look at that texture. Looks pretty amazing. And on the backside, this tells me it's the peanut butter one because obviously that looks like peanut butter. So you ready to take a bite?
Yes.
Okay. How is that?
Delicious. That's definitely the peanut butter chocolatey, peanut buttery.
Olive Reese's is one of my favorite treats. That is pretty awesome. Timmy, you want a bite, buddy?
Yeah. Here's the big boy.
What do you think? Come on, take a look. What do you think?
It's very good.
It's very good. Yes. I'm going to take another bite. Since Scarlett's not going to eat it, I think I'm going to have to take your bite, huh?
Oh, this is oatmeal.
Okay. Well, hold on. What are you doing? So next one, this is the oatmeal raisin one. So you can see the texture. Everything else. Look how thick these things are. These like literally over like an inch thick. Pretty amazing. Bottom, you can see all the raisins in there and everything else. Just take a bite. Look, she's got a knife, like she's all proper and everything like that. Like, come on, get out of here with that. We're all family. Whatever germs we have, we've shared them long ago. Obviously, there's 2 kids here. Hey, no knife for you, little missy.
I did not. Hey, look, he said that.
That's really good. Timmy, come take a bite.
There's a really good crumb to the oatmeal.
It's so.
And it's moist, but crumbly.
Can you move this closer, Daddy?
Not yet. What do you think? They're good? Did Uncle David do a good job picking the right cookies?
I want the pizza.
No, Scarlett.
I want the pizza.
Yeah, it's good?
I need to sing it.
So, okay. Stop, Scarlett.
Give me the pizza.
All right, let's see what the next one is here. Next one. This one is dark chocolate chip. Timmy loves chocolate. I think this one might be
I think
actually
that's
his favorite.
Timothy's.
Might be his favorite. Let's see.
Timmy!
Very rich. And
And
chocolatey.
again, look at this cookie here.
Then I get to.
See that whole surface area? Again, everything's super thick. On the back side there. You can just tell that these things are made with love. Oh yeah, normally I'm like a semi-sweet type of guy. You know, like semi-sweet chocolate chips and everything. But she's more like the dark chocolate. But yeah, that's really rich. This is really good. You know what I really like? I've taken 2 bites. Right, Timmy T, come take a bite. You're still finishing your oatmeal one? Come on, man. That is really good. Okay, last one. The one that started it all. The chocolate chip walnut. Take a look at that. Got like that golden brown look to it. Everything else. And then see that, so super good. Here we go. Yeah?
That's really delicious.
And normally I don't do the walnut. Normally it's just regular chocolate chip, everything. But yeah, that's good.
That is really good.
Really good. So when you go to Levain Bakery, they have, I think, like 8 locations in New York. So you can go get them fresh, like right there in the shop and everything else like that. But if you're like us, like here in Nashville, David's over in California, everything else like that, pretty much anywhere around the US, if you want to send cookies and really make an impression on friends, family, business, coworkers, clients, whatever, order you some Levain cookies and send them something cool. There's, from what I saw on the website, you can do a bunch of different like variations and mixtures of other cookies. Ready for one? Which one do you want? Do you want the dark chocolate chip? You want the dark chocolate peanut butter? Which one are you gonna do? Or the chocolate chip walnut?
The one that's not a walnut and the one that I didn't have.
Okay, here, come sit on the
Double chocolate.
the stool here. This is the dark chocolate chip. What do you think?
Super rich.
Like
and
this kid
chocolatey.
loves like everything chocolate. Like chocolate ice cream, chocolate, like anytime we go in someplace, I only get like vanilla and whatever mixtures, you always get the chocolate. Even if it's just like regular just chocolate ice cream, but you're all about it. What do you think of this one?
It's good.
Yeah? Which one do you like better? The one that's the dark chocolate chip, or the one that's the dark chocolate with the peanut butter in it?
Peanut butter.
The peanut butter? Yeah. You and I, we're all about that Reese's, huh? That Reese's life, yeah?
Because peanut butter equals Reese's.
That's right. The peanut butter and chocolate. Here, so that's that one. That's that chocolate and peanut butter. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff right there. We're definitely gonna have to order some more of these. Another bite? Move up, mommy. So yeah, so same. I think these make a great gift. You really surprise somebody. It comes in like a nice box. Really, makes a really nice impression. And man, these cookies again, they're so thick, they're so big. And anybody loves cookies, loves chocolate, walnuts, peanut butter, chocolate chips, whatever. Go on the website and you can pick a different variety of cookies. Kind of customize your own mixtures, whatever maybe your clients like or you like. Because if there's anybody that deserves a gift, it's you, right? So sometimes I do that. I just order stuff. I go, hey, you know what? You're awesome, Lee. You need something really cool. You need something very tasty, and I just send myself some packages from different places all over the U.S. And you know what? If you can't buy yourself something awesome, who else is going to do it for you, right? So that's what I do. I'm gonna get another bite of this. And again, thank you for watching. It's been awesome. Enjoyed sharing these cookies with you. Levain Bakery, good stuff. Thank you so much, David. You're awesome. We can't wait to see you.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll see you and spend a lot of time together this summer. All right, buddy. Bye, everybody.
See ya.